Yeah, going lah, going lah. Let's just hope we don't die.
Oh my god, everyone's run.
Yeah, run lah, run. Unleash your inner transit racer again. Wow, 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 wow. You see? Wow, wow. Eh, not bad leh, that guy.
He run ah.
Right. This stupid, ugly man lah.
He doesn't know me what's in the
Hello, rider. Wait, where's my?
I woke up at 6 and I missed the 255, but I caught my 193. 193 is the goal. 193 is.
See, it's pulling in. It's pulling in.
I take 193.
Oh, I saw this the last SIA to get a goat logo.
You're correct.
The goat logo.
A good logo.
But 237 is the newest one with the word trains.
Train.
201 just say SMRT.
SMRT.
Train is the newest.
Okay, guys. It's like 8:53 leh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, they delayed so much.
Wow, almost 9 eh.
But Harry is currently.
Is Harry here already?
Yeah, check his life. He's not until 403.
No, he's 7. Low already.
Wait, what's he?
Wait, no.
We're together, but where's.
No, he's there.
He's at Boon Lay.
Boon Lay. Okay lah.
But
No.
haven't arrived yet.
No, he can't come here. He too far already.
Yeah. Yeah, he just arrived Boon Lay. But he said he want to go to you.
A bit cannot lah, cause this one 要走掉了。Wait, pass me your phone.
Sorry.
Whoa, sorry.
Okay. Yo, can someone help me take? Wait, chill.
You see, the red wear down so much until it look like orange.
It's so like this is so dark.
Yeah, why
I also don't know.
It's like every time the door specifically, the red is still very intact, but like the rest is all like not so. It's like more orange and red, you know. Honestly, I don't get picture with trains, yeah, because it's like, what's the point of a picture with a train when you're gonna like, yeah, it's like low key meh. Yeah, it's like I don't understand the hype behind pictures with trains. It's like, okay, sure, you're just blocking the train, you know. And also this is taking like so long, so I'm just gonna yap a bit, okay. Hi guys. Yeah, look, it's initials. Look at initials. Oh, train is moving. Okay. Anyway, like see, people keep taking photos. Like, okay, so that's sure, but like, yeah, it's like low key. There's no point, you know. So like, yeah.
I understand the least crowded.
Definitions.
Yeah.
That you know that wheel is from 233, 234.
Yeah.
Wait.
My rap.
No, say 233, 234 also sacrifice for this one.
Yeah.
Oh my.
233 is my rap.
233 sacrifice itself for this train set.
I heard one per rap
You almost
233.
sacrifice
Really,
for 213 leh.
Sacrifice
Then
yourself
213
for
sacrifice for this. Then
No,
I like rap 233.
Honestly, right, I rather keep 233 than keep this. To be honest.
233, 234.
Bullet per rap 233.
Sacrifice itself.
233 it died during my school camp, man.
07.
I can't come.
Okay, personally, based on preference, I like 233 better than 207 purely because 233 was the first SIE that I wrote, but like, yeah, at least it's one of the last few SIEs that around. So yay. Okay. Anyway, right, like
The 213, 215.
yeah, there's like a lot of nice people here. It's so yeah. Yeah, I got more people taking photo again. But why though? Why though? Why? There's no like okay, it's your rap, but like why must you take photo with the train? I mean I won't stop you because like okay, it's your photo, it's not my photo. But like slightly judging. But sure. Look, got Speedy Cameo, got don't know who that is, got English Thai. What's Ryder? Ryder somewhere else lah.
Somewhere with his friend.
Yeah lah.
I can blame the R15. Someone R5 is too weird. Today R15 is talking
because it's actually a drive. There's a drive, brake, emergency push button, and a horn button.
Wait, you want go this side or this side later?
I think this side is less crowded. This side the trainer is quite near to us.
No, like later, like you want go that bus stop or that bus stop? That one right, because that one closer. That one
Faster, and if the bus coming over there immediately, a lot of people will rush that one.
No, but this one further down, so either way you'll still catch the train, right? Still catch the bus, right? Yeah.
I want to enjoy it.
See what I can do. Yay! I will see what I can do.
What does it, bro?
And so far, Harry only go for scrapping. He only goes for KNS.
KNS,
He keep forming KNS.
yeah.
I already four gear chai, SIE, and KNS. I full 3 already.
Yeah, at least Harry still got 201 and 237 to form lah in the future. Yeah lah, hopefully when
Gear chai still got a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, 201 I want to go.
Yeah, 201 also need to go.
My second rappy, my main rappy SIE is 333.
No, but hopefully it's not on my cam though, cause like I got one cam, so yeah. Oh my god, wait, it's included in the video. Oh, chop. Don't risk your life for trains, okay? Like, okay, you like trains, but
I think after 337 should be 301.
so 201 last one
This is 237 last one. I'm going to ref.
Okay.
That 201 second last SIE. I think the next one after SIE is KNS 337, therefore like SIE 201.
Oh, so after this is 337, then after that 201, then after that 337.
Yeah, should be lah. Kecha I don't know. There's no way Kecha and my.
Got golden people here.
And you all dying at the same time.
Oh,
Wait, you remember the last one they sent all the attacks to Ulu Pandan, remember? Changi and Ulu Pandan.
Wait, you want go the other side or you want to stay here? Cause like
So crowded.
they're more crowded leh. Actually everywhere also crowded.
Because when the cleaner is facing, it's like very near to the.
It's closer lah, cause here 有一个路嘛，那个只是一点点，你看。Okay, so right, the comparison between the distance between here and the train and there and the train is here got one whole lane for the
Every time the
truck
train
to
always
come
lean
through.
over there one.
But like everyone is always there because it's like this much distance, you know,
It's nearer.
compared to
Trailer
this.
way.
Go there. What the freak, bro? Why people screaming? Hello, screaming.
Yeah, tell me your mama.
Yeah lah. Okay. Anyway, hi guys. Oh my god, that's so deep.
It's deep. But I can climb there.
You jump in, you die, bro. Okay, actually no lah, but like. Okay. Anyway, hi guys. We're walking to Girls Circle today because 255 is gone.
We're walking
193
like
is
10
gone.
minutes. You.
Oh, 36
We left like 10 minutes.
Why got
to walk.
stagnant water?
Oh, let's move the water.
We left with 10 minutes to walk to Girls Circle from here.
It's okay.
They
Natural wind.
We can walk slowly.
I ran here and then now I'm walking back.
We can walk slowly.
Okay.
No.
Reschedule.
Yeah, you should have waited at Girls
I thought you
Circle,
had
to
to
be
walk.
honest.
I thought you
No,
walk
if
today.
I went to Jupiter and then
That means tomorrow no walking.
Huh? No.
I thought you had to walk today.
Okay, next Saturday I'll schedule mine to start earlier.
Wait, you know,
tonight 865.
wait, you know, when I came, when I was rushing, right, like at Japan, like, I really need to buy a drink, so I bought
I didn't even
a
get to buy a
favorite
drink.
thing called a coffee.
Wow.
Overrated.
Coffee is a good one.
And
Coffee is
then,
a good
right,
one.
Coffee's overrated.
but
Just buy water.
because I bought coffee, right,
Same,
I missed
same.
255. But then, right, no, but then, right,
I only drink coffee if I'm sleepy.
I already knew there was
I don't drink
192,
coffee
192
often.
I could take. I knew I could take 192, 193. And last time when I missed 255, I took 193. This time when I missed 155, I took 193 again. 193.
What the flick?
I just need to cool down first.
Yes.
Fuck
Okay.
255,
Oh,
take
frick. Oh my
193.
god.
No, 255 when I check at like
Sengkang.
in between Pioneer and Chukun.
New signage, by the way.
It's bad.
Terrible shit. Eh, Sengkang changed already? What the?
Today just changed only.
Huh?
Yesterday is still old.
Oh. Eee, Sengkang changed already? No. Oh, lucky I take photo, bro. Okay, anyway.
Wait, you actually did old signage?
Yeah, I took photo of
You
Sengkang
have to
old
run to
signage.
opposite 5 and after that you have to run like a few more meters.
Actually,
That's how I got here, by the way.
Harry look.
What's this?
Ignatius looking at himself, bro.
Just now I took HE1
Wait,
to
wait,
get
try
the
jump
job
there.
from Buona Vista.
You should. Wait. No, then you fail, then you jump inside, then you cannot get out.
I took HE1 from Buona
like the hole is the cement.
Can get up.
Wait, no,
You
I
sure or
took
not?
Oh, today I waste my energy walking to TWD.
I took HE1, HE2.
I purposely waste my energy to TWD.
Circle line I took C36.
No, later we should take HE3 back. Yeah.
We should somehow take 531.
No, is 431 even running?
It is, but on the long line.
Yeah lah, long one. Hey, this uncle, you see the fern wheel all peeling off already.
So old already, ma.
I managed to throw Kion.
Nice.
Uncle, your fern wheel the 后面
Who else
peeling
came here?
Speedy Lock Place, Braydon, Shrek.
You know there's like a lot of people there. It's more than 222.
A lot of female
a lot of female.
How
To
many
make
more
a
than last time?
Okay, it's
Who ah?
No.
there were one,
There's
two,
like 5 or something.
yeah,
Five,
including me there was
There was
5,
three.
and then
Last
there
time it
was
was 3, so it's like 66 to
I
33.
I thought I saw like 7.
66.6%.
no, and then there was one like kid that got dragged along by her dad or something.
I saw a grandmother.
Yeah.
I saw a
Yeah,
grandmother.
there was a grandmother taking
You know,
photo
a
also.
lot of people came but they're not enthused.
Huh? Then they come
A lot of people came but they're not enthused.
Most of them are parents.
Because they get tracked here. They get tracked here.
I feel bad for them, yeah.
I ran at Buona Vista as well, no, but I think I saw 3.
I also ran at Buona Vista but I missed the fucking train.
Today, Ilya keeps stalking me. Ilya keeps stalking me today.
Yay!
Today,
Ilya stalked me today. Today I only ride. Today I only ride 2 KSF train. Today I ride 6 alias 2 KSF train.
I thought initial. I thought HE1, HE2 earlier.
I saw HE1, then I saw HE3.
Okay, never
Then I saw 829. I saw 827.
I
saw it for one.
literally took
I thought it was
829.
No, we took 829 what?
I took 829.
We
actually
didn't took 829. Wait,
No, because I didn't want to risk missing the 405.
Harry,
Yeah, we took 829.
Harry, no, why not these days and one on Saturday? That's the toyotron day.
Shit!
That's why I should schedule earlier, like 1 hour earlier.
Then that was
Wait,
like
no, you should schedule like
This is new,
2
the
hours
freaking
earlier.
513.
12 to 6.
Yeah, like about that. It should give you enough time. Because I woke up at 6, I went out at like 6.
hopefully the one for
Like 2
yeah, hopefully the trolley children are successful.
Wait, how was expecting this today?
Okay lah.
It's very long. It's like
Some people keep crowding at the road.
wait, you know right, at like 7:30 right, it was already at like the other road. Like when usually when you know right, it comes into like that place, then it stops right. Then after that it goes
Very
in. Right?
descriptive.
This is very descriptive.
Descriptive, I think.
Wait, content mark.
Content
Content mark.
Yeah, so
No.
yeah. So
I
it,
ran no, by 8 in my
100%.
huh? Oh.
I did in my breakdown.
But you hungry man?
No man.
No, like I run here still not
Wait, so basically right, you know it's like T junction right?
Yeah.
Like at like the toyotron's there right? So then like on the left right, a bit on the left right is the
on the left.
yeah lah then
Okay.
whatever bro, I don't care. Okay, anyway, it's like on the left right a bit right is the 207, like the 3207. And then they stop it there for no reason leh.
For how long?
For like half an hour. Then after that at 8, then they moved it into like the original spot.
Yeah, but then 8:20 no RAM.
I expected
Ram
you
come
all,
out at like
I
8:23.
expected you all to finish like way earlier before I.
No, but we got extremely delayed because the RAM level deployed.
Okay, but now you can delay more. But
The,
it's
the,
fine.
the,
Yeah.
the RAM got
Yeah, try play
deployed,
torchlight.
got delayed.
Okay.
Wait,
You
the
can't even
RAM
see
did not get
anything.
cancelled.
8:30 I was at Holland Village only.
Wow, you're really taking a... Hey,
Oh, you know, right? Yeah.
It's dark.
Yeah, I think like
Wait, Harry, remember when we were walking past
Oh
it,
my
we
God.
saw that sign on the floor?
Yeah, over here.
Wait, remember we saw that house circle sign?
Yeah.
Wait, I can show. Wait, remember that?
I know, I remember that.
Wait, I don't think they know.
Okay, show the other show.
what
Show
does
the
it?
Wait. I need to go back to 22nd May 2024.
Chinese rider station and Ishan walk from Starting to Changi Airport.
But the three of us failed.
You want to do walking
we were
challenge?
We were dying. We
We
died at, we were starting to die at Orchard.
Just take the true.
yeah.
Imagine us Joy to do walking challenge. Whoa! Hey Joy, you want to do walking challenge?
Huh? Walking
Look at
challenge?
this,
I cannot, bro.
16 hours.
Wait, look at this.
Bruh.
Rider, rider.
Oh my god, fire extinguisher.
Now the trunk challenge, our
500.
Kira, our team gone.
Okay.
Kira's not our team anymore.
Can we don't talk about Kieran? Cough, guys, cough.
No, I want to be a good person. I want to be a good person. I don't want to be bad from TRC.
The trunk challenge, Harry take me. Ryder go take ref
Okay,
and
wait.
Fred.
You know, Rider purposely make Kiran sit on the other side of the bus.
Oh,
Yes, I am very good.
yeah,
Okay.
very good.
Actually, very good. If not, if he was directly next to you, you would.
Clearly, I would
Oh my
probably be...
He'll
You'll be
ruin.
deaf already. You'll be deaf.
No, I'm not dead.
Okay. Deaf.
Dead.
Okay, push this to the.
Lucky I went out immediately.
Luckily, I never phoned the 991. If not we cannot
You wanted
tahan.
to phone me?
Yeah, I wanted.
I wanted to phone the OC, but I had no time.
Why you like-
Oh, you from OC?
You phone OC, you OC pepper.
OC 979 what?
Oh, okay.
Kiran is it?
OC 979.
I said,
Yeah, last one.
Kiran. Hello Kiran. Hello Kiran.
Wait, you know, the 1655 go fucking scam me Wait,
Oh, yeah.
You deploy 189, but it was a 941 floor. So you go back to 941. And then after that, I failed to track it down and I don't know where it goes.
Sorry.
How long till we reach our circle, huh?
1 hour. Just
Huh?
1 hour 10 minutes. Run, including 1 hour 15 minutes, including running.
No, like how long until we walk to the bus?
I don't even know where we are now.
Are we like lost?
No, we're not lost.
No,
Yeah,
we don't have to go
No,
back.
we still have to walk straight, I think.
Walk straight then turn right.
We MBK, I thought you know, right? I thought you watch the stuff.
We walked on 22 minutes. I know.
Yeah. I ran from October 25th. You know,
Yeah, we
October
walking back to
25th,
Gulf
2024.
You remember to go back?
Ah, yes.
Wait, 22 May was like what? Today's like
Oh.
what, 5 months ago?
If Kiran do the walking challenge, she'll yet and complain. He said, why you taking so long?
You also. You can't say.
Bro.
Don't say Kiran, you also.
Wait. And then this teacher was literally will help us.
No, Zishan.
The teacher went the whole way.
But Ishan, you only do halfway. Then you go home.
No, the three of us failed.
Actually, we didn't fail. We took taxi.
No, we walked 50 km, but then after that we
56 km actually. And
No, the teacher walked 56, we walked 50 and then we took off.
SMRT walk.
Ah,
SMRT walk.
snowman.
The time I told that. MBK. Later we want to turn right.
oh my god. Okay, you're gonna have to turn right over there.
What? Yeah. Oh, 74.
Minus 20.
Minus 20.
Minus 20. Ah.
Plus 10.
No.
228.
Shut up, 27 is better.
I don't know what
27 is
No, 2-1 better.
Oh,
better.
better.
2-1 better.
Wait, they all say 1 man.
No.
Everyone is the one who say that.
Aaron said that.
He said,
No. Okay, like
Was he crying? Was he crying?
I don't think so. I didn't see anyone cry.
No, he'll cry because he's his friend.
Why is the road so
cry.
bumpy?
Yeah, I was running straight and I
LTA,
was like,
fix
I want
this
to
road, bro. Petition for LTA to fix this road.
Harry, you should see this.
What?
What is that?
KKS?
Yeah. SK.
115. Oh,
Wait, that was 109.
you're right. Okay,
Yes,
hello.
hello.
Hello,
I'm very
hello.
sad too.
Yes. Okay.
Wait, I think your power bank died already.
Okay, no. I found initials.
Wait,
my
Ignatius.
power bank is at
I got power bank.
30%. I also got power
It's
bank.
at 4 dots.
Okay, I think you should use the 4 dots because I'm only at 30%.
Wait, no more already.
Yeah.
That's the whole 2 hours.
Uncle, just keep the power
I
bank,
should
bro.
have scheduled it earlier. How would I know there's a scrapping today?
Ah! 掉下来 bro.
Did you keep your Saturday service?
LTA, fix this road. Ah!
Yeah, no. You know, 32nd May when we were doing this, we also had to like, go through this.
Ah.
Rather if you remember.
Yeah, LTA, fix this road. And also, why is there a taxi here?
One of my classmates go complain the
Actually, I think
signage. That's it. I say, bro, what the fuck, LTA? At my community.
Okay, that's true though.
Wait, you know when I was running here, I had to be extra cautious.
That's true, that's true.
One time I nearly killed but and then I slowed down. Initials are one faster than this.
Hello, faster lah. I
Yeah,
want to go
you see
home,
those
bro.
three, you see those
我要
three
回家 bro, what the flip?
you see those three panels all so far ahead of us.
Yeah, lor. Must unleash your transit waves again.
I don't mind walking faster, but I don't want to run
Eh,
again.
why got styrofoam on the
don't
ground, ah?
Bro,
Guys,
what the fuck?
stop littering, bro. Stop
Say
littering.
what, bro, what the, bro, what the fuck,
Wait,
LTA?
look, see there's another plastic bag over there.
Stop littering,
There's a-
guys. Stop littering.
There's a tea bag.
That's how my school does.
What the flip?
Okay, we have to turn right now.
One of my classmates say, bro, what the fuck? LTA.
That's coffee. Guys, don't litter coffee, bro.
Oh, but coffee is very good too.
What? I can't see.
There's a cemetery over there.
Oh, wait, what is the sanitary?
And it's like
Oh, wait,
854.
Rider,
You're
you
going
should
to
look
stop
at
at
the
everything that has numbers
You should
and
look
find
at the
and find everything funny about it, right?
8534.
And then like 5
Ah, TRC. Oh my god. Hi, guys. Oh, wait.
Hey, this one your rap lah.
trucks.
This one your rap lah.
Math failure,
See.
bro.
Like FI3.
-2 when.
What the fuck, LTA?
No!
Oh my.
Isn't it?
Guys,
What the fuck?
this is highly dangerous, especially if you're walking at 9:27. Yeah, especially if you're walking at 9:20. Bro, stop leaving stuff on the ground.
No, wait. I
No,
think just now,
guys.
My unsaved QS number.
Okay, nice. Just now I saw some like people sitting down here and sleeping.
But
When I
like,
was running.
why don't you get up and bring your trash with you? Stop leaving it here and giving us more plastic to throw away. And no, stop polluting the environment, guys.
That's why they have all those CIA projects.
Yeah, exactly.
Teacher forced me to join as a VI ambassador. I say no.
Like
I'm
next
not
year,
doing
I'm not a good person.
next year I got like next week I got a beach
Yeah,
cleanup
next year
at like Changi Beach, bro.
You know the OGL
Yeah.
interview?
No,
passed
I had a
now.
beach cleanup at East Coast Park.
Hey, the OGL interview, I don't know how I
Earlier
passed.
this year.
Hey.
You got OGL ah?
Yeah,
I lazy apply
I
How come your
do
teacher
interview.
can force you on?
Wait.
What?
No, if I want to be OG, I have to be student council, which I also lazy apply.
I lazy apply.
No, I can't be bothered to
You made
apply
me
in
pass,
year
yeah. I was
one.
like, huh?
In year one,
I haven't drank any water since before leaving.
neither have I. I haven't drank any water since before leaving work.
Yeah lah. And then you know like the girl and two there, huh? They low
What
key
they do?
annoying sir.
They know Kai Hian, one of the girl know
Yeah,
Kai
yeah.
Hian.
One of the girl they calling Kai Hian, and then it's like
Call Kayan by calling here all his name or call.
no, like 打电话, you know? Yeah, and then
We
it's
need
like
to-
Kai Hian.
Hey, the girl
I call
look
it
older or younger
Kayan.
than you?
The girl looks older.
Then who?
Really meh?
Joette.
Really meh?
Younger than me.
She's
ah?
ITE, she's ITE.
Oh,
Oh, IT yeah.
wait, that means she might be one
Honestly,
year younger than
she
me.
look like primary.
Huh? Oh my god.
She look like primary to be honest.
Wait, that means she might be only a year younger than me.
But like
Careful.
the ground is so far.
That's why I walk
This
over
is
here.
not
I ran over
ground,
here.
guys.
Wait, I ran over here.
What the flip, bro?
Mistake running on the road. You almost
No.
got hit by
I,
the
honestly,
truck
it's better
once,
to
then
run
you
here than
got
run
hit
there.
Oh. LTA, fix this ground. Why is it so grassy?
No, later very itchy the how.
Like, okay, we get it. Nature, environment, yes. Reduce, reuse, recycle. But like,
All this
why?
reuse, recycle.
I don't care.
Oh my god.
Yeah, this is outrageous. Why is there so much?
Okay.
Okay, there's a lot of cans on the ground.
I think it was around here. The ground circles. Yeah, of course,
Remember, I
it's
remember,
5
because I was
months
standing on the
I think
grass.
it's gone.
already. 5 months already.
Are we cooked or are we cooked?
We're not cooked.
We're
I
not.
know where to go because I.
Yeah.
Hey, there's too many grass
There's
there.
a gate, man.
Huh? What are we
Let's
doing?
continue.
What are we doing?
Are we lost?
No, we're not lost.
What happened?
No.
No, you're trying to locate where the sign was. Okay, rider, it's okay. No need to find where it is.
Find what?
The golf circle fine.
Yeah, it's like random as golf circle.
Yeah, but it's okay. We
Ah,
don't
you
have to
guys
find
walk
it.
over here.
You should walk on the road.
Why?
It's so grassy. You know that the grass.
You don't walk on the road.
Yeah, LDA, fix that road, bro. It's not even a walkway.
Do not bang into
Okay, to the right. One single file line.
You're gonna kill people with that grassy ass. No, you're gonna kill people.
Get the fucking.
Guys, single file. No two rows, one row.
Initials walk to the right.
Uncle, you rather have a bit of freedom or you rather kill
No,
yourself?
I think he rather not accidentally bang into a trailer like a
No, I mean like.
I think they put it back up there.
Yeah, they put it back up there. I think.
No, I think it's been there the whole time.
450 meters.
Go circle. Okay.
Ah,
We going soon, guys. Soon.
okay, but
Soon Lee. Okay. Anyway.
He didn't say.
golf circle eastbound is on the lower floor. Westbound is on the higher one.
Octa Global. Shout out to Octa Global, by the way.
So we alight at where?
One, I don't know. I kind of want to go home.
Valley Point.
What the flip?
Johor, kinaman.
No, it's not dog.
Oh.
Okay, never mind. We're not.
Johor.
We're going
Okay.
Johor Baru.
Johor, but
What are you doing?
We go westbound to.
we
We go westbound to TLK.
DLK and do what? Check for a trailer, is it? Very good
for-
number, 6397. No,
I
6897.
don't want to see the number ever.
Okay, but I
No,
don't.
no,
Okay.
no,
I'm
my
like-
father say. I put the South Korea package just on
Wow,
the.
nice.
I'm so
Nice,
tempted to drink water, but like, yeah,
Something.
those people.
Okay, rider can do.
No, but those two people cannot
If
know.
you-
I don't
if
even know
you
that
this-
though. What the flip?
I don't know them either, but
Hey, one
I
more month
think I've
later-
seen them before. I just
Hey,
don't know
hey,
their names.
Oh,
They have a nice deal.
Wait. Also the next month I first time
galvanized.
I don't know how to
Are they blind? That is not galvanized square steel. That's continental steel. Okay. Anyway. Oh my god, Bigfoot, bro. Oh my, again? What the flip?
Yeah, as someone my father realized as
No. You know there's a company called Big Belly. The dustbin company called Big Belly.
You mean the BELLY?
Salmon
Yeah, Belly,
Piers.
Salmon
Salmon
Piers.
Piers.
What the flip, bro? Are you okay?
Salmon
And also my flight 17 November
I have
midnight.
the upper hand.
Trying to where first?
South Korea. Immediately South Korea.
Okay.
Boing
One in
boing.
South Korea then.
16 November I still can see you, but I only can see you in the morning and evening. But at night I must see you.
Oh, 5174. Oh my god. Ignatius. Wow. Oh,
If I go South Korea, walao,
no
it's like
standard.
so many girls are walking around now.
What?
Yeah lah, got a lot of girl one.
Yeah.
You know right, I want him to help me buy K-pop album eh.
Where? But where to buy?
I'm going back.
It's just like around, actually honestly right, I don't know what to
South
buy
Korea
I don't know what to buy.
Korea.
North Korea. No, you should go to the land of Kim Jong.
Wait, you should go to.
I'm going South Korea.
No, you should go
But
to
album-
Island China.
Island China.
What the
So then you
flip?
should go to the
Oh.
budget Bangkok.
K-pop
Okay.
album.
Bangkok.
Wrong.
Wait, you know he accidentally said Bangkok because he lives there.
Yeah, no.
K-pop
I think we
album
should
South
go
Korea.
to Bangkok, airship Bangkok.
No. K-pop album South Korea.
Yeah, like oh my
No, we should go
god.
to.
Stop leaving trash on the ground, guys. Oh, shout out to A&W by
Hey,
the
I
way.
noticed a lot of industrial areas are all many litters are flying around.
Yeah, like why can't they? Oh my god, Continental Steel again.
Wow. South Korea.
Chat, we have reached. Actually no, we have not reached, but yes.
What is this?
K-pop album, bro. It's a K-pop shop.
K-pop shop ah.
Yeah lah.
Wait. You know,
What?
I believe you are totally not. You're going Bangkok.
Yeah,
Same
wait.
days.
Yeah, 100%. They were
I bought my hotel already. The hotel already.
actually, I
Then
think
what
I
about
booked my
the
hotel already.
Like yeah, the nearest station is. I need to check.
I also need to check.
The
Uncle.
closest station to my hotel is like Chong Nong or something.
Wait,
Come on,
wait,
CPS.
you know my first hotel, right? It's on a fucking branch line.
Hey, 17 November. Hey, what time is the flight?
Yeah, I need to check.
Wait, you know
Is it midnight?
my first hotel is on a branch. Wait, you know my first hotel is in this station.
My flight is midnight for South Korea.
Beito, and it's on a fucking branch line.
Shout out to Sing Beito, by the way.
Bangkok.
It's on a branch
Wait,
line.
Ryder is
My
going
hotel
Bangkok
on a
ah?
branch
No, he's going
line.
to Taipei.
No, Island China.
Hey, I'm supposed to go Taipei.
Oh
but
my
no
god,
ticket.
train guys, train. Ah,
I supposed to go Taipei, but no more tickets.
圈走，我也走，我圈圈做圈圈。
I got flight number. I think you should go out first.
Wait, Rider, can you check 17th November? Wait, Rider. Wait, can you check the 17th November?
No, what's the 3K?
Wait, Rider. Can you check the 17th November flight to South Korea at midnight?
KK.
S2 airline. That was my flight.
Wait, where you flying to which airport? To
I
Thailand.
don't know. I just
Some more I take it
Suvarnabhumi
business class.
or Donmong?
Yeah, my first class
like
taking
like
business.
What the fuck?
My first class
Wow.
business.
Wait,
business ah.
What
What the
the
flip?
wait. You know
I went South
On what
Korea.
airline? On what airline? What the
What
fuck?
the shit?
What the shit?
It's so
You
expensive.
know, I was supposed to take a suit, what's AKA Scoots business class, right? But then right, here's the thing. It's only on Boeing.
Oh.
So I just like,
but I don't know which airline.
just take Airbus.
So wait, rather you taking what airline?
Airbus, I don't take Boeing.
Rather you taking what airline?
My father said you better don't take picture of Korea bus go then train later fall near you, then you die.
Huh?
What the flip?
Hey, imagine if we somehow see each other at Bangkok. Somehow lah, but I don't think so.
No, cause like I'm going Hong Kong first.
Yeah, I know.
then
I mean like the hotel in Bangkok.
Yeah lah. What the flip, guys? I'm gonna die. I'm like legit gonna die.
Wait, when you go to holidays, does your parents or you go alone?
No.
Record this, record
Mama can.
Record this.
Oh.
Record the
Yeah?
fact that this place matches. This place
Oh, yeah,
matches
yeah,
this
right,
picture
right.
that I took on 22nd May 2024 with this guy.
And only with me.
And
Oh shit, my flashlight.
Resort and
And
Shu
Shu Zishan. Zhu Zishan.
Are you okay? Like, are you like mentally high or
is
something?
it like in a train like by any chance?
Hey, I don't know. Oh shit, I'm falling.
Not
Oh my
not
God.
not in a drain.
3 and 2 is
Wait.
high 99%.
Wait. No, I was standing here right there and nearly fell.
Oh.
Then I was like, oh shit. I was like standing here, then I was like, oh. I took a step back, then I was like, oh shit. But you know, during that walking trip, me and Session were carrying both Ryder and Nishan.
Carrying
Carrying,
like
like-
抱住啊.
Like, no, we were trying to pull them up.
Oh.
To come faster.
Oh my.
Because Ryder was clearly dying also.
Ah.
But he didn't want to give up.
Right.
If you remember,
But we can't do again, man.
you were clearly dying.
No, yeah, but I don't want to do it. We'll die more.
At least me and Session,
Because like we
die
can't
at
really
Orchard.
go like midnight. We can't really do that because we're not allowed to. So we have to like go in the morning, but then we can't get delay ourselves. So that's why
You're gonna do Tuas Link again, the first.
Yeah.
The-
we're gonna do the exact same route.
Okay.
6 a.m.
But you should do this on the weekend. Last Saturday.
no,
Honestly, like a weekday holiday.
No. It's actually better to do on weekday.
Oh, yeah.
Because the first train timing is earlier.
Ryder, you remember we took 1 hour to walk from Tuas Link to Joo Koon?
No, 4 hours.
Ah, 2 hours.
Insert the argument
I
about
think like
whether,
1.5 hours.
about whether you catching 207 208 on
What?
Two right towards us way
101
before.
or 9 or weekend.
I don't
I wrote it before. I wrote once with Harry.
Honestly, I think everyone.
I think I wrote 207 with you.
The one
Weekday better first train timing earlier.
Yeah.
catch first train.
Hi.
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 A1 of the
Hi.
SI 207, EM 207. There's
Oh my god.
there's a number called 71
Oh yeah, wait.
7106.
Oh yeah, wait.
Wow, I got stairs.
I
What the?
can share with you all some story.
Yeah?
I remember literally here, Ishan
Yeah?
got lost.
Oh.
No, because he thought we went the other way.
Oh.
Then we were coming
Hey,
here.
Harry. I also something.
Ishan got lost because he didn't
Wait,
start.
Harry. There's not doing EMU 207. One of the three parts
I was dreaming my entire life to catch this.
Okay,
What is this, bro?
Okay, bro.
You should look at the
Marina Bay.
Marina Bay.
destination.
MRB bound.
MRB bound train.
The first southbound
No
train.
lah, Marina
is
North Pier.
Marina Bay.
Marina North Pier.
Marina Bay.
EMU
Oh.
207, right? I checked the three parts. There's a number 71063. It's an annual set number.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I got 7,071 on my NEL.
Hey,
Northbound.
this Vana, he rapped 7055. He rapped it.
Huh?
He said to me,
Oh yeah, he read 7,055, but he said for fun.
Does he know the Jovin Center?
no, he doesn't know who's Robin.
Yeah.
Oh, he don't even know who
He don't
Jovin
know.
is.
He don't know who Jovin is.
Who don't know?
Jovin Bayway.
Then
Oh, Austin Tan.
yeah lah.
Austin Tan. Austin, bro.
Wait, you think I can reach that?
No.
No,
You want
I
to
can't-
try,
I can't
uncle?
reach that. I don't think even I
Wait,
can
you
reach
should
that.
try. You should try.
Okay, come. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Wait,
Okay,
Wait,
you're not close, bro.
Shit,
Harry,
just
you
saying.
try.
Wait, oh shit.
Don't kick my stuff.
Okay, you check your bottle up, bro.
Okay, Harry is trying. Oh! Okay, rider miss.
Oh my god, later you drop, you die already.
Hey. What the flip, bro?
You drop, you die.
Yeah, true. I drop, I die.
Yeah, you'll get fined.
Why?
No, and I'll get injured also.
Are you okay?
You also get fined because you're doing it for fun.
Anyways.
很热嘞，what the flip？
At where?
Usually there.
Gao triangle.
Soccer steel.
I have
What the? What is galvanized soccer? No, isn't it circular galvanized?
No, it's galvanized square steel.
Organized square. Organized square.
It's a governance.
Galvanized,
Circle.
I don't know this potato got dirty mind. Like he always bite. So he always bite his back.
Bite his back.
Oh yeah, Emerson was there also. So
Who
yeah,
else was there?
Emerson.
Like, and who else?
The potato a bit dirty mind.
Potato wasn't there today.
No, because he was asking me about what he has to buy. I didn't know.
Oh,
I didn't know it's like 207 away, but
no, it was 207.
I thought it was
Yeah, everyone thought it was 288, but it was
Then
207.
this potato girl say like, hey, no like 207, but then I'm like,
Oh.
I don't think I can make it. But here's the blue bar.
Hey guys. Oh my god, we found other human life, bro. This is crazy.
Wait. You know that potato a bit dirty mind. Then go bite his own.
Sorry, Ignatius.
No, I'm
Sorry, Ignatius.
Oh my god, Ignatius, are you
I stepped on
okay?
his shoe. Oh shit. Ignatius, that's why you shouldn't wear Crocs. You should wear covered shoes.
Yeah, Gao circle. You see I wear long
You
pants
see,
again.
I wear this. Wait,
Burger King ah? Oh.
yes, under this.
Burger King coded, bro.
Okay, I don't know if you can see my name tag, but
Harry.
Wait, you're working in Burger King forever.
move. Don't send on the
193. Oh, 193.
Wait, are you gonna work at Burger King forever?
No lah, but next time I got internship.
And when?
Shit, I don't know where. It's like
But don't buy. You know the string? You go bite.
I think he thinks it's a medal. Fight the medal.
You go bite his fucking bag.
Oh yeah, and then also Speedy was there. Raiden was there. Shirish was there. Rayan was
Not
there.
also.
Not place, y'all say.
Mana Dara.
Aaron was there.
Aaron is obviously there because it's friend.
And your kick right, he said.
Okay, guys, we've reached Gao Circle. Woo. Gao Circle, y'all. It's first time coming.
This is like a good place to go take.
What thing?
Oi!
Oh my god. Wow. Yeah. Thank you. No, don't plus one.
Wait, campus floor. How is this still under construction?
Let's go.
哎呀，走掉了，uncle，快点啦
Uncle, my
，uncle 啦，有 uncle。哇，uncle running 啊！What the flip？啊！
Let's find wallet.
文明啊！
No, it's alright.
Oh shit！ I cannot, bro. Wait, go. Eight to four.
Wait, talking.
坐下来，bro。Wait, where's the guy?
No, he's behind.
Oh. Remove it.
Wow.
Yeah, very sad. Yeah, slow down.
Older uncle.
Hold on. Yeah, I'm close.
Okay. We made it, yay. Oh, frick.
So if we didn't make it, we had to make it 8 minutes. We're just gonna waste our time.
Yeah.
So what's the area?
Yeah.
It's the border.
We did it.